smash.
Who's ready to smash?
Me! Hey!
Go! And it is mashed. Now fix it. Whoa.
Hey, Daddy! Look at mine. Look at mine now.
Oh, smashed. Good, that one. Now fix it.
Just a fucking button.
Fixed.
What, mine?
All right, let's see.
Oh, mine hit the chair and broke.
All right,
Then it?
go, smush. Oh, you let off the gas. Let's fix them. Fix them and mush them. All right, mush again. 1, 2, 3. Mushed. Fix them. Doo-doo. Only real cars are that easy. Oh, crashed.
Mine is moving.
All right, mush, Colin. You might not be going fast enough. Oh, you half mushed.
Look at mine.
You need more momentum than that. Oh, you mushed
Look
them.
at mine. I'm about to go.
Oh, you missed everything. Oh, mashed into the trash can.
Yay, we're gonna put it in the
Abracadabra, fix. Fix-a-roo.
Mine is gonna get thrown into the trash can since it crashed into
Colin, back up more than that. You're too close. You need some momentum to really mush it. All right, mush. Oh, he missed. He missed. Oh, he destroyed the ultimate garage.
I'm taking it. I don't know. Okay?
You gotta go faster than that. You're gonna have to back it up more than that.
Back it up. 6 months. Let's just try this one.
Keep going. You were smashed right into the wall, Colin. You were perfect. Ah. Colin just going in circles, smashing into me. All right, back up. Back him up. Mash into something.
Look at him. Look at this.
Oh, you mashed him. And you didn't break yourself. All right, mash into Colin. Oh, you missed. Oh, that is a real mash.
Oh my.
Your car is destroyed.
Look at this. That is a great.
He's half smashed. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
I do know.
He needs help. He needs help getting over. These are 2 rear-wheel drive vehicles. Oh, is he even smushed?
No.
Did he smash? Nope. Go, Kyle.
It landed so good.
Colin, let's fix you. Let's go. Let's go. Smash it into something. Let's see it smash. Oh, just a tiny bit. Back it up and smash it again. All right, back it. Smash it. Smash. Oh, now we were crunched. Finally, we crunched it. Johan hit a block. You didn't make it. All right, back it up and smash it. Oh, you did smush a little. All right, back it up some.
I can't.
All right, let's see it mush. 1, 2, 3, mush. Oh, mushed. All right, Colin over there smashing into everything.
I'm gonna smash.
Smash. They're only a little bit mushed. Oh, you gotta get some momentum before. Oh, Johan's is mushed.
Look at this.
All right, let's fix it. Oh, fixed. All right, mush again.
Okay. I'll go right here. Straight.
Oh, hold on. Let me see Johan's mush. Oh, only a little mushed. Colin's, here's the mush. Now fix them. Fixed. If only real cars were that easy. All right, we're about to get a super mush. Oh, you hit the wheel. Oh, Colin got a wheel. Oh, it smashed in reverse?
Yeah.
All right, transformer, fix it. All right, now let's see some more mushing. Maybe it's easy to mush it backwards.
No, it's easier to mush it forward.
No, because see, when you hit the tire, when it hits the tire, it doesn't mush. All right, back it up and mush it. Who's ready to smash?
Me!
All right, 1, 2, 3, smash! Oh!
Try.
Who's ready to smash?
Me!
All right, go!
I can't go.
Only smashed a little. Oh, Johan's is stuck. All right, take 2. Who's ready to smash?
Me!
All right, let's go. Oh, Leno's feet didn't even mush. All right, go, 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 go. It needs a little help. It needs a little help. Go, go. Oh, that one smashed. Let's see. Before you reset him, oh, he's half smashed. Smash yours into the wall, Colin. What? Or Johan's foot.
Why does it?
Go. Oh, Johan smashed. Colin survived. He's just smashing more.